Alright, so this is going to be the second version of the Vortex kick. We did a version where we were just stepping forward, now we're going to add a spin before. This is another setup to melee de composto. It's kind of a tricky setup because your opponent doesn't know what you're doing. They think you're throwing a tornado kick and then you drop down to another combination. Southpaw stance. Stepping over, rotating my shoulders and my hips, full facing, hands up, giving a little hop, jumping off my right leg, hop, hop. From here I'm watching the whole time. I'm going to torque over here and throw the melee de composto. Here I am, stepping over, full facing, hop, hop. Here we are, back to our stance. So this looks like a lot going on, but really have your melee de composto first. And we're just adding a setup into that. There's so many different ways you can do melee de composto. Defensively, offensively, doing a spin kick first, things like this. So there's going to be two links below that you can click. One for melee de composto and one for the Vortex kick. We're just building up on our foundation of techniques.